Hello, everybody. Today I am on a lower time frame, 15-minute chart, and as you can see here, I have my alert set for hopefully a right shoulder. And one of the things I want to show you how I entered the trades. As you can see, here's the starting point right here. This is the last selling candle that pushed this market above before it pulled back in this area, and then the market continued up as well, and then came back 100%. So I had identified a head and shoulder pattern forming, but I have not entered this market just yet. And so my question to you is, why haven't I entered the market? What am I looking for? I am looking for a rejection, which is a reaction in the market. And so before I just dilly hop in this trade, I need to know that the buyers are done buying up. And what I would do is drop to a lower time frame and see if I can identify some starting points on the lower time frame. And as you can see, I do see some interruptions where we have sellers on this 5-minute time frame pushing the market up. So what I would like to see is this pattern to happen before I take this trade. Remember, you want to see a break-in structure of the last starting point before you enter the trade for a sell. And so right now, I'm literally waiting for the market to pull back down below the most recent starting point right here before I enter this trade for a sell to take it back down to this zone right here where the market last pushed off. So once again, I'm not just hopping in the trade because I see a right shoulder, because this market could easily bypass this area and continue up. I'm literally waiting to confirm that the market is breaking previous starting points on a lower time frame than my analysis before I take this market down. If it do not break this starting point and pull back for a retest for entry, and it creates another high and a pullback to another high, I'm literally just going to move my alert up to the next interruption if there's another red candle in the future up here. That's literally all I'm doing. But for now, this is the last interruption, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully this helps with your entries, everybody. Let me know, and stay tuned to the next one. Take care.